हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे HCF एंड LCM। HCF एंड LCM जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है नंबर सिस्टम का। इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन बहुत आते हैं कैट और कैट में, और अगर आपका देखा जाए सीमैट जैसे एग्जाम्स में। HCF और LCM जो है इससे हमें पता करेंगे कुछ केसेस होते हैं जो उसमें मैं कुछ ऐसे मेथड्स बताऊंगी जो बहुत ही इजीली आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो एग्जाम में। लेट्स फोकस ऑन HCF फर्स्ट। हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे HCF एंड LCM। HCF एंड LCM जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है नंबर सिस्टम का। इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन बहुत आते हैं कैट और कैट में, और अगर आपका देखा जाए सीमैट जैसे एग्जाम्स में। HCF और LCM जो है इससे हमें पता करेंगे कुछ केसेस होते हैं जो उसमें मैं कुछ ऐसे मेथड्स बताऊंगी जो बहुत ही इजीली आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो एग्जाम में। लेट्स फोकस ऑन HCF फर्स्ट। In HCF and LCM, I have seen that in HCF there are three different cases. HCF is divided into three cases. The first case is the remainders are the different, and the second case is remainders are same. Third case is remainders are same but value of remainder is different. Let's take the first case, that is the remainders are different. I have taken one question, that is the find the greatest possible number with which when we divide 37 and 58 it leaves the respective remainder of 2 and 3. You have seen that they are dividing two numbers with which when we divide 37 and 58. When we divide 37 and 58, they should leave the respective remainder of 2 and 3. Here that both the remainders are the different. Okay, 2 and 3 are the different remainders. We will consider this first case. In this first case, what we need to do is first take the first number 37, then minus 2. What you will get is 35. Another number is 58. 58 minus 3 is equals to, you will get as 55. Okay. 55 and 35, both if we consider as that they both are divisible by the number is 35. The HCF of 35 and 55 is, you can find 35 का HCF and 55 का HCF, what you will get as 5. The highest common factor in this is they ask the greatest possible number, this is 5. Okay. Let's take the another case, that is they have given as remainders are same. Okay, when we need to take a remainders are same, what we need to do is, let's take one example. In the second case, what they are asking is, in the HCF is the remainders are same. We will take this question, find the greatest possible number with which when 60 and 98 are divided, it leaves the remainder 3 in each case. When we are dividing 60, it also leaves the remainder as 3. When the number is divided with the 98, it should leave the remainder 3. Okay, in both the cases, we are getting 3 as a remainder. Let's subtract 3 in this. 60 minus 3 is equals to 57, and 98 minus 3 you will get as 95. These two numbers will be divisible by the same number without leaving any remainder. The HCF of 57 and 95 we will get as, you can see that ये किससे divisible हो सकता है, highest common factor will be the 19. हमें इन दोनों का highest common factor निकालना, that 57 and 95. Okay, 57 का and 95 का highest common factor क्या हो सकता है, 19. ठीक है, this will be our answer. Let's take the third case. What they are asking is remainder are same but value of remainder is different. Remainder are same but value of remainder is different. Suppose आपको अगर दिया है केस 3 में, हम देख लेते हैं. My third case होगा that the remainders are same but value of remainder is unknown. Finding the greatest, let's take one question, that is the find the greatest common factor which when 38, 66 and 80 are divided, the remainder remains the same. ठीक है, 38 में से सॉरी, 66 में से अगर मैं 38 माइनस करूं, ठीक है, कॉमा, देन मैं क्या करूंगी, 80 में से 66 माइनस करूंगी, कॉमा, और 80 में से 38 माइनस करूंगी, ठीक है। इन तीनों का मैं क्या करूंगी, इसको सबसे पहले सब्सट्रैक्ट करूंगी, फिर HCF लूंगी। मैंने इनका सब्सट्रैक्ट किया, दिस विल बी 28, 80 माइनस 66 आपका होगा 14, देन दिस विल बी योर 42। इन तीनों का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर क्या आएगा, दैट विल बी 14. So in this case 14 is the largest possible number when it will leave the remainder as, जब आप इससे डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको इसका रिमाइंडर मिलेगा, that will be the same remainder and when it divides either this number 38, 66 or 80. So this will be our HCF. Okay friends, so these three cases will come in our exams. So this will be a very useful. Let's try with the LCM also. So friends, in LCM what happen is there are three cases. Remainder are same. Second is remainder are different for different divisors, but the difference between the divisor and remain constant. Okay, neither divisor are same nor the difference between the remainder. So we will take first case, that is the remainders are same. Suppose they have given you as a remainder as first we will take this example, case 1. You need to find the least common possible number, that is the least common possible multiple, okay, when divided by 24, 32 or 42. It should leave the same remainder as 5. This will be your remainder and this will be your numbers, okay. So in this, the LCM of 24, 32 and the 42 you will get, okay, as when you will find the LCM of these three number, it will be a 672 plus this will be the remainder. So 672 plus 5 is the 677. Yes, this will be our answer. So this was the first case. Now we will take the second case, that is the remainder as different for different devices. Okay, so we will take the second question. Suppose you need to find the least common possible number. Okay, least common possible number you need to find when divided by the numbers. These will be your divisors like 18, 35 and 42. It should leave the remainder of 2, 19 and 26 as the remainder. So you can see here the numbers are different and they are the different divisors and the remainders are different. So what you will do in this case is, you will do the same method as we have done in HCF. You need to subtract this. So when we subtract, 18 minus 2 is 16. 35 minus 19 will be, your one number is 16. 42 minus 26 is 16. You can see when we are saying for the second case, the remainder remains the constant. Here when we are finding out the remainder for all the three, there is a common possible number, the least common possible, that is the 16. So 16 here is the one of the remainder that we have found. So what you need to do is, first you need to find out the LCM of these three number. So what will be the LCM of these three number will be a 630. ठीक है, सो 630 हमारा इसका एलसीएम आ गया, ठीक है, बट ये 16 हमारे यहाँ पे आंसर नहीं है. हमें क्या करना है, 630 माइनस 16 इज इक्वल्स टू 614. दिस इज आवर आंसर. व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड अबाउट द व्हाट इज द लीस्ट कॉमन पॉसिबल नंबर. ओके, लेट्स गो टू अ थर्ड केस. नाइदर डिवाइजर्स आर सेम नॉट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रिमाइंडर. ठीक है, सो ये थोड़ा सा टिपिकल है, हम इसको एक बार अच्छे से हम देख लेते हैं. So friends, this is the third case which we will discuss. So in this they are asking about what is the least common possible number which when divided by 13 leaves the remainder as 3 and when divided by 5 it is leaving the remainder as 2. So this is the third case. Here we need to find out what is the least common possible number. First we will take first condition, n is equals to 13 x. X will be any constant which we need to consider plus that is the remainder This will be our first equation. Second equation will be a n is equals to 5y plus 2. This will be the second equation. When we will solve these two equation, what we will get? 13x plus 3 is equals to 5y plus 2, right? So इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 5y माइनस 13x इज इक्वल्स टू 1, राइट? अब हमें निकालनी है वैल्यू ऑफ y. y इज इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस 13x अपॉन 5. अब आपको क्या करना है, हमें जो x है हमें वहां पे ऐसी वैल्यू पुट करनी है न्यूमरेटर में दैट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो व्हेन इट इज पॉसिबल वी नीड टू चेक. So we will just try hit and try, like you need to put the value of 1, x will be a 1, then what will be the answer? That is 14 by 5, that is not divisible. Okay, so we will try as 2, 13 2s are 26, 26 plus 1 is 27 by 5, that is also not divisible. We will take the value of 3, 13 3 is a 39, 39 plus 1 is the 40, right? So this is actually divisible. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर कितना आ गया? 8. Now we will find out n की वैल्यू हम निकालेंगे. n is equals to 13 into 8 plus 3. What we have found? 13 into 8 plus 3 is 42. Okay, so this is the least common possible number. ठीक है. The another shortcut is what you need to do is you need to find out the else. This is the shortcut trick. LCM of 13 and 5. ठीक है. When we are finding out the LCM of 13 and 5, what we are getting as 65x plus this 65x plus आपको क्या करना है, जो हमने 30 and 5 का जो हमने LCM निकाला है ना, that is the 42. 13 into 8 plus 3 plus 42 you need to write. ठीक है. Then you need to try that hit and try. So what you will calculate through this, you will calculate the next higher number. Okay, when you are getting as a 42 and you need to calculate the next higher number, what will be the higher number? So 65 की जगह x की जगह आपको ऐसी वैल्यू आपको ये मिल जाएगा कि आप अगर ऑप्शन में x की वैल्यू दी है तो आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. सो ये तो हमारा LCM और HCF के कुछ शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स एंड उसके कुछ केसेस हमने डिस्कस किए. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और न्यू वीडियोस के साथ आप कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. आपको लाइक एंड कमेंट कर सकते हैं इन वीडियोस के लिए. थैंक यू.